I got a joke for you guys. Check it out. What is a chicken's favorite game to play in the pool? Marco Pollo. Ooh, I'm mad.
The flight path showed.
Explain it then.
Okay, the.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
It's impossible to know truly what
Little girl mad, little girl sad, little girl wanna get out so bad.
Hey, that was pretty good. Did you make that up right now?
Yeah.
You did? Sick. That was good. Noah, do you see chickens? Do you see chickens, Noah? Whoa, chickens. Different chickens.
Just gonna fold it as if she's not there.
Okay, the Air National Guard is flying fighter jets over California today in as a thank you to first responders for the COVID-19, so doctors and ambulance people, and so they're flying out of Fresno up to Sacramento over all the valley towns, shooting over to the Bay Area, and then down the coast, Monterey, Santa Barbara, and then back to Fresno. Should be 4 of them, I believe, and they'll be moving pretty dang fast. Low as they appeared, but it was pretty crazy. And then they went up that way. I jumped in the car because I thought, I wonder if they're landing.
Carly, is that your friend over there? Carly, is that your friend? Stop recording because that doesn't make sense. Stop recording.
Maybe should I haul off and slap her really hard in front of her?
No! Yes, you should.
And then she can run in the house crying, and then I'll yell, "Don't you ever fart in front of me!" How many times have I told you?
Is that your friend, Carly? Stop.
Always get ripped off.
Why are you here?
Oh my.
Go away.
Go away, stupid.
It was so quiet. We were gonna hear.
Idiot.
What the fuck I do? Do what you do, and I'll do what I do. And he's looking at me like he didn't hear me, and I thought, you hear what I said? I thought we were stuck around. He's like, that seems like it, dude.
So apparently the fighter jets or something went east, I'm pretty sure, like by Merced a little too much, so it didn't come over our house or near it. My dad said he heard something. He thought that maybe that it wasn't gonna pass over our house. You are going to see a fighter jet later today, probably in like 30 seconds. Got a bola, a criminal lizard, and a Gigi that wants inside so bad. Okay, Carly, the jets. The fighter jets, as promised. Go! Fighter jets, go!
Fighter jets?
Mom and Dad, I just want to apologize right now. I know that that video of the fighter jet, all you saw was the couch in the living room getting destroyed. It wasn't my idea. I was literally just a bystander. Not even a bystander. The victim. I was the victim in this. It was Carly. Carly.
Hi guys, I got Carly this new phone. You can make calls or you can totally taste. Yeah, this is a fake phone, and it is it's a stun gun. So, or you know, it's got several settings on here. You can go to the 2 settings. It's got several 2 settings. Whatever, same thing. It's got a little alarm thing, so you know if someone's coming up. Get away, rape, you know, that whole thing. So, there's a flashlight too in an appropriate spot. That's pretty cool. That is neat. I like that. Anyway, cool. So I got this for her from the flea market. Not sure if it's legal or not, but
Okay. Don't tell anyone.
yeah, don't tell anyone. But if we meet 1,000 followers, I will let this girl tase me.
I'm just kidding.
So there's that. So go like, subscribe, follow, whatever the Scott will know. Scott.
And while I got your attention, I guess I'd like to mention you're more loyal than Rachel ever was.
Major plot twist. I'm actually enjoying studying for this informative research paper. The most annoying kind. I'm actually enjoying it.